Guys, welcome back to another video. So today was pretty easy, honestly. So like I said, left shoulder, right? And then what happened? We got that head, right? And then we tested 5-day, right? So pretty much really good move. 200% trade. That's literally all. Oh my god, I don't know what to say to you guys. It was like literally less than 4 minutes and 200%, right? That's all you need. And of course the target was the 5-day, or we had the teal set up right here, right? So you can see that we really bounced off teal right here. We just didn't have the break, right? Or we just didn't, the market wants to build more liquidity, right? So another scenario, right, is gonna come in, right? If we do reject here tomorrow morning, right, we can have that left shoulder head, right shoulder off of here, and then right shoulder off here, and then keep heading down, right, and test this pink at 680, right? So that's the goal. But we could also just open higher tomorrow, depends. Left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, and basically take it off of I'm gonna draw that out for you guys, right? So you basically take it off the pink, right, tomorrow. But depends where we open, guys. If we do reject here, to look out for the right shoulder here and then right shoulder here, right? But literally, as I showed you guys yesterday's video, this was pretty easy to catch, right? Left shoulder head, especially with that form, right? We got that beautiful build, liquidity build, and then the drop, right? So especially if you see in the right here too, right? So this was the top of the head, right? And then we broke down left shoulder head, right shoulder right here off of all the way down, right? And I'm gonna show you that intraday and show you literally, guys, that it was literally like a 3-4 minute trade, right? There was you could have entered right here. I unfortunately was kind of distracted, so I couldn't. So I entered right here. Both works, right? And you have really penny perfect stops, right? Basically, if you entered right here, you would have a stop right here, right? And then you can literally see 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, all the way down. And this is easily a 200% trade for me. And basically, right, what this could mean, right? So for example, took a $400 position to make $800, right? So way worth it, in my opinion. And it's I'm just saying that's like a small example, but now imagine that in the sense of you bought that 4,000 contract, right? And then you make 8,000 from this, right? So pretty easy, pretty simple setup. And then all you have to do was wait for that handle the teal, but you can see that we just didn't form that, right? We're just running out of time. So tomorrow we'll see either if we open higher or lower, right? But if we do open lower, we need to see, right? And you can see the 5 days really close to the 50-day, and then 20 days also right here. Oh, I'm at 5 days, not close to 50 days. Okay, so 20 and 50 days pretty close right here. So if we do head down, right, we'll move down with the 5-day, right, and then target these levels, the 50-day and the 20-day levels, right? And it's still a possibility of that we just like do protect here, because we did find pretty good support, especially at this level right here with the 5-day. So just depends on actually, let me double check right here. Yeah, we have a pretty long way to go if we are headed up, right? So we're gonna target this level 690. So we pretty much, if we do end up higher tomorrow, set targets to 690 level, right? And then close this cup right here, and then have some sort of retracement, and then keep going up from there, right? So just all matters where we open tomorrow, and tomorrow's a Friday, so maybe we do get that move after if we build enough in the AM, right? So yeah, just pay attention to that. And yeah, a pretty simple video for you guys, and you could literally watch this whole week. I had this guy David, okay? He's like commenting nonstop, right? But literally, like, bro, watch yesterday's video. I told you guys, even from the beginning of the week, right? Left shoulder head, right? And then we got a beautiful move test of 5-day right here, right? And we can't be biased yet, right, guys? We still are above the 5-day, right? We can easily just left shoulder head, right shoulder off of here, right shoulder off of here, and then keep testing the higher levels than 690, right? It's a target right here, 690, right? So yeah, pay attention to that. Look out for that. We can have a pretty good move up and down as well, but you cannot be fully short yet, right? Because we're still above the 5-day. To see that short coming in, the bias, right, you need to see at least price coming below 5-day, using 5-day as a right shoulder, and then pushing down and closing this inverse cup right here, right? Actually, right, let me just fix these actually. Right, so you need to see that. So this is a key level right here, 679, 680 right here. So yeah, pay attention to that, and see you guys tomorrow. I'm pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie, so probably gonna call it quits the whole day, just maybe watch a show. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I don't know if I should post my gain, but literally 200% gain. And it's like one day can make your whole week, right? Especially because it's such a good entry. And you had such a good tight stop right here, right? So even if if price broke up, right, or whatever, well, first of all, you should always protect right here, right? When you see price, so teal, right, if you saw price kind of like bouncing from here, then you would of course protect, right? But you saw that we just had that clear breakthrough. All you have to do is literally hold for like 3 minutes, be patient for 3 minutes, and you just and understand the 5-minute context is where the teal right here, which I had marked out from yesterday, right? You can literally watch yesterday's video and see that, right? So, and we bounced perfectly, penny perfect from there, right? So all you have to do is just take profits correctly and just understand market context, right? So anyways, guys, and that's how you become a hunter, right, in this market, right? And every day is an opportunity. Maybe every day you don't have to trade, but you just need that one day to make your week, right? So like if you make 8K, for example, today, and your goal is 20, you're already done and like halfway done in one day, right? So that's the blessing of trading. And I hope you guys all learned the skill, and make sure, remember to stay grounded, to pray, and to drink some water. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow, Friday, or maybe not, depends. See you guys. Bye.